In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Hostinger domain to WordPress by updating name servers. By the end, your domain will point to your WordPress site correctly and you'll know what to expect during the changeover. First, sign into your WordPress account and open your site's domain settings. This is where WordPress prepares the connection on its side and shows you exactly what values you'll need. Look for the option to use a domain you already own. Selecting this tells WordPress that you're connecting a domain purchased elsewhere, not buying a new one through WordPress. When prompted, WordPress will display its name servers for your site. These are the special addresses that tell the internet which provider controls your DNS. Carefully copy all of the name servers shown. There are usually 2 or 3, and you need every one of them exactly as they appear. Keep them handy, you'll paste them in a moment. Now, log in to your Hostinger H panel and open your domain's DNS or name server settings. You want the section specifically labeled name servers, not individual DNS records like A or C name. Switching name servers hands DNS control to WordPress, so you won't need to edit individual records at Hostinger after this. Replace the current name servers with the WordPress name servers you copied. Remove any old entries so that only the WordPress ones remain. If your panel shows more fields than you have name servers, leave the extras blank. Double check for typos. One wrong character can delay or break the connection. Save your changes. Hostinger may ask for confirmation. Go ahead and apply the update. From here, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation. This is the period when the new name server information spreads across the internet. It can take up to 24 hours, and it's normal for the domain to work in some places before others. During this time, avoid making repeated changes as that can reset the clock. While you wait, you can keep an eye on things from your WordPress domain settings page. Once propagation completes, WordPress should show that the domain is connected. If it doesn't after a full day, revisit your Hostinger name servers and confirm there are no typos and that all required entries are present. A couple of quick tips. Clear your browser cache if you're seeing an old version of the site. And remember that switching name servers moves DNS management to WordPress. If you rely on custom records like email, make sure they're configured with your new DNS host so nothing gets interrupted. That's it. Your Hostinger domain is now pointed to WordPress.